Greetings to my fellow countrymen and women. Hope we're all doing great in our respective location. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Three factors Governor Wike and Sanwo-Olu may present against their northern counterparts if pestered. It is no longer news that the VAT value-added tax saga had resulted in a heated controversy lately after some northern governors came out to oppose the decision of the Lagos and Rivers state governments to start the process of collecting VAT in their states. The verdict, which the Rivers state government had already signed into law before the interference of the Abuja Appeal Court, was what gave rise to the decision of the Lagos state government under the governorship of Sir Babajide Sanwo-Olu to also adopt the decision in the state. Similarly, following the immediate counter movements of the northern governors against the VAT collection idea by Governor Wike and Sanwo-Olu, considering the negative effects it would have in their economic, here are three major reasons or factors both governors may present against their northern counterparts if the future pester them to perish their decision on VAT as we await the final judgment of the appeal court. Number one on the list is low federal allocation. As of 2020, which is last year, it was gathered that the Lagos state government recorded an IGR, internal generated revenue, of 418.99 billion naira and got the sum of 115.93 billion naira as federal allocations. Thus, Governor Sanwo-Olu and Wike may come out tomorrow to challenge their northern counterparts with this fact because under normal circumstances, it is expected that a state that generated such amount of IGR should get something way higher than what they already received. Second on the list is the collection of VAT by Federal Inland Revenue Services isn't included in the exclusive list. This second point is worthy to note because over the years, the FIRS has been collecting VAT for the federal government without contemplating the fact that it isn't included on the exclusive list. However, the recent demand by Governor Wike and Sanwo-Olu to start collecting VAT in their states was what pushed the FIRS to begin to lobby the National Assembly to include VAT collection in the exclusive list because it would grant them the exclusive power to collect VAT. Moreover, a verified report from the Cable had once claimed that the second part of the concurrent legislative list of the second provision of the 1999 Nigeria Constitution, as amended, approves state governments the power to collect VAT in their states. And lastly on the list is the ongoing destruction of beer commodities in some northern states. It could be recorded that an Islamic group currently operating in some northern states of the Federation, known as Hishbar operatives, has been on the rampage of destroying beer commodities being imported into the region. Subsequently, a recent report I came across yesterday on Punch revealed how this Hishbar group seized a truck conveying 3,600 bottles of beer commodities concealed among bags of animal feeds. Although this is not the first that reports that Hishbar has seized and destroyed beer commodities in the north. are coming to our notice. It is pertinent to note that Governor Wike and Sanwo-Olu, as well as some other southern states who may want to proceed on VAT collection in the future, would challenge their northern counterparts with these very facts. What are your thoughts on this? Please add me comment away. But please kindly give this video a thumbs up and please click on the notification button down below. I see you even as you do so. May the blessings of God never cease to overflow in your lives as you all support my channel. Amen. You cannot destroy other people's businesses in the name of religion, then come demanding that you want to share from the proceeds of the business that you destroyed in your state. That is pure robbery. If your religion bans it, then your religion should be able to provide an alternative. The FIRS is an agent of the state and not of the federal government. It was set up to nationally collect VAT and remit to each state what is collected from that state, less a commission. Some smart aleck in Abuja tampered with the original concept. They pulled the VAT and shared it between states, federal, and local governments. This way, the North, that generates less than 20% of the tax, now gets the lion's share of VAT. Babu they walk, monkey they shop. Easy resolution of this matter is that FIRS should continue to collect VAT on behalf of the states, deduct their 5% commission, and remit to each state according to what is generated from that state. The Lagos State and Rivers State have the right to be collecting VAT because the Constitution gave them the right to do so. It is unthinkable that the northern part of the country can be destroying beer bottles, where VAT is generated, and at the same time being sharing out of the VAT being gotten from the country. Which country is doing this? Throughout the whole world, I think the South has tolerated the North too much. They have taken the South as fools. It is time we liberate ourselves from them. What they are doing to the South, they would not accept it. The certain legislators should not support such legislation. The FIRS should be collecting VAT whenever it is being debated in the National Assembly. This is not a time to be towing party line. Any legislator voting in favor of it is saying bye-bye to National Assembly. Enough is enough. There should be no more cheating and insults. Finally, I will say, let the state collect their VAT. It will make sleepy governors from the north to wake up from the mentality of free money and start thinking like their southern counterparts. When Nigeria divides, what will the North be feeding on? Have they not been lazy enough for all these years? Please kindly give this video a thumbs up and please, if this is the first time here, click on the notification button for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.